Welcome to Express.com's top 3 blind corner cabinet organizers of 2022. Blind corner organizers come in a number of styles and shapes. Here are just a few of our favorite at Express.com. Number 3. Revis Elves Cloud. Reach for the stars and fulfill your storage needs with the Cloud Contemporary Blind Corner Organizer. Designed for blind corner cabinets with 15, 18, or 21-inch cabinet opening, the Cloud fits into nearly all blind corner applications and is available with or without soft close. Number 2. The Vassagle Core Flex. This blind corner cabinet organizer not only looks good, it feels good. The shelves swivel out to a comfortable distance away from the cabinet. Everything is within easy reach. Each shelf can be attached at the required height. What more is there to want? And number 1, the Revis Shelf Half Moon. This 2-shelf pivot and slide blind corner solution is ranked because it's simple and cost effective. Easy to install, easy on your pocketbook. Express.com.